I'm at a mall in Tucson, Arizona right now, and we're in a Macy's. So I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of my day. Okay, so we were trying fancy dresses on, like just for fun, and I actually found a couple that I really, really like, but for obvious reasons I can't get them. We went to like this puppy place and we got to see a puppy, and my mom almost let me like get a new one. She was so cute, but so I'm at Aeropostale right now, and I found a couple clothes I like, but one of them was $30 for one shirt. I can't afford that. Update. So like we went to Aeropostale, Hollister, American Eagle, and nothing, nada. So my luck right now is not. I have like packs on left, but that's really it. So unfortunately, I didn't find anything at any of the malls that I liked. But now we're at the Airbnb and it's time to relax, meaning nap time.